got sound on this one, Andrew?
Yeah.
Excellent. Viewers, afternoon. Today is, I think it's still Monday, 10th September 2007. We've just walked off the peak of Baekdu-daegan after visiting some temples there earlier this morning. We visited two, probably walked about 6 kilometres in total to get to those temples. And from there we've walked about 3.5 km to get to where I'm currently located now, which is a pass called Muryonggogae.
Muryonggogae.
Muryonggogae. And we've been really fortunate enough to have walked into this lovely little picnic area, which is ablutions, camping facilities, more ablutions, and most importantly of all, where I'm sitting, a small little restaurant that plays music, which is called trot, which is a sort of I guess it's a music from the 60s in South Korea. And I'm drinking a dong-dong-ju, bloody fine stuff, and a kimchi pizza, and we're just going to catch up some notes and sleep here tonight and then carry on tomorrow morning. Over.